Hi friends, this is my Jade Pothos. This has grown too big and too long. So I'm going to cut this down and make it into an arrangement like a tree. You need only one single node and one leaf to propagate pothos. I'm going to use a rubber band to put them together. And I will put it in water. You see the knots here where the roots are growing. I got these many stem cuttings for propagation. You can leave them in water or you can plant them in soil. If you use only one leaf with one node, and if you plant the multiple in a pot, they will grow really bushy. I changed my mind and decided to use the golden pothos to make the tree arrangement. Hopefully this golden pothos will grow onto this tree in few months. I made this arrangement with the Jade Pothos.